Alright, hello everybody, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today we've got Philip's 2005 Cadillac XLR, my second XLR taillight build here in the shop. He's from northern Florida and came down for me to do this. There are a lot of issues with this car, but there is one thing that is not problematic, and that is these taillights, because they have been fully rebuilt with new internals from Diode Dynamics, and I have clear coated the external surface of them to prevent any future cracking, and it also gives it a nice smooth finish and looks a lot better. So very similar to the last build, but still different, since I am sticking with my policy of never doing the same build twice. We've got two dual intensity red strips and one switchback strip. So the switchback is going to be in that clear section, and before, with the original build, I did two strips in that section. This time I did one strip there and one strip in there. So you'll see a slight difference as compared to the other build. However, it's pretty much the same concept. We've also replaced LED bulbs in the reverse light sections, as well as the license plate bulbs themselves are now all LED. So we've got a full LED back end, and it actually functions, which is the goal. All right, so in order to show off all of these functionalities, the engine must be running, since I can't figure out how to keep it in ignition, so let's get going. Okay, so this is the parking light circuit, which is, again, like I said, those two strips right there. They are behind the internal reflectors, so they kind of wiggle around when you change your view. And then when you hit the brakes, please, there you go. As you can see, they're dual intensity, so they go full brightness, two strips, and our third brake light kicks on. Let's show off reverse now. So this is the reverse mode. Again, those are LED and those kick on, and then this white strip kicks on, although this camera isn't going to be able to show it very well. As you can see, we have a white additional reverse in the taillights, which is pretty groovy. And this is what the turn signal looks like, which is nice and beautiful amber, blinking in that clear spot. And as you can see, there is no hyper flash, there's no dash lights, there's no errors. It's fully integrated, no problem. Let's see the other side. Oh my goodness, look at that. Both sides work. That is wonderful. I have decided that I don't want to do XLR taillight builds remotely, because that has been commonly requested, because the installation of these is rather involved and does require an understanding of electrical systems that is probably above the average mechanic. However, if you are interested in an XLR taillight rebuild and refresh for yourself, and you are willing to come to the beautiful Tarpon Springs, Florida, then by all means, in the video description there will be a link to my website, and there will be on the website a form, a build request form. That is where all build requests must go through. That's all I gotta say about this build. Thank you so much for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Have yourselves a wonderful day. I'll see you.